folks, we're gonna have to show y'all how we do this mobilized. We're gonna jack them up, clean up under the decks a little bit, sharpen blades real quick, get ready for the next yard. As you can see, gotta get this one cut. Everything's wet. It's making everything a little bit dull. Vacuum's not so good on the deck, so we're gonna get that stuff cleaned out. So stay tuned. Whoa. Grab the impact. It should be a 13/16. Alright guys, you can see what we're dealing with here. It's not too bad, but you can see over there, little stopped up right here. Not too bad. Gonna pop some new blades on here real quick. Ready to go, get it cleaned out a little. That just that ice scraper right there. That'll work just to get this stuff out.
Good, how are you? These are sharp.
Should be. Supposed to be. Good old ice scraper. Works just as good. Just what you run into. Trying to keep everything warm up.
You want me to get under there and do that?
I'm almost done now. Not that bad, but I'm gonna get a little bit. Oh, that's a great day. Definitely some dog poop under here. It's always tasty in the morning. Huh?
You'll hand me that third one, I'll put it up with you.
Oh, you can tell which ones. clean as I like it, but it don't get the job done. Guys, that's got the wipes. We're going to get mine up here, take care of it real quick. But as you can see, this is the result. Just a little bit of slight cleaning. That's already after only like 4 or 5 yards this morning. You know, granted it's going to clean itself out a little bit, but got to keep these decks clean, guys, if you want to vacuum stripe well. So mine's coming up. Let's get it done. She's a little skittish with this one. Hand controls is not her thing. Come on. Lean forward. Get this one knocked out. Got lots of rain in the area, lots of rain. But we're going to set this up and let y'all see how we get this taken care of. Stay tuned, guys. All right, folks, got this one done. As you can see behind us, all cleaned up, ready to go to the next one. See you there.